There is a phase before collapse that most people never recognize. A moment where everything still appears functional, yet nothing is truly stable. The streets are quiet, lights are on, stores remain open. But beneath that surface, the system is already under strain. In this window, awareness becomes the difference between survival and entrapment. Those who observe patterns early gain mobility. Those who don't lose it. At first glance, supply chains seem intact. Shelves are stocked. Operations continue. Routines feel unchanged, but subtle irregularities begin to emerge. Delays in restocking, disorganized inventory, minor inconsistencies. These are not isolated issues. They are early indicators of systemic stress. Infrastructure rarely fails all at once. It degrades incrementally. Electrical instability is often one of the earliest visible signs. Fluctuations in power indicate imbalance within the grid, and imbalance precedes breakdown. Modern systems are interconnected. When one component weakens, others begin compensating. This redistribution creates uneven load across the network. Some areas remain powered, others begin to fail. Supply chains operate on precision timing. A single disruption can propagate across multiple nodes. Transportation delays lead to inventory shortages. Warehouses slow down. Distribution weakens, and the flow of goods begins to fracture. Fuel availability is one of the most sensitive indicators of systemic stability. When fuel distribution becomes inconsistent, it signals deeper logistical disruption. Without fuel, mobility collapses. Communication networks are equally vulnerable. As usage spikes and infrastructure strains, signal reliability decreases. Latency increases. Connections fail. Information flow becomes fragmented. In this environment, independent communication tools become critical. The ability to receive information without depending on centralized systems provides a tactical advantage. Listening becomes more important than transmitting. When uncertainty spreads, movement increases simultaneously. This creates congestion across primary routes. Highways become choke points, and mobility begins to degrade rapidly. Digital dependency becomes a weakness when networks fail. Devices that once provided information become limited or unusable. Situational awareness drops significantly. Financial systems also rely on network stability. When transactions fail, access to resources becomes restricted. This accelerates behavioral changes in the population. Resource uncertainty triggers reactive behavior. People begin acquiring supplies rapidly. This leads to shortages, even before complete system failure occurs. Readiness. Mental readiness is as important as physical preparation. Clear thinking supports better decisions under pressure. Contrast highlights the difference between reactive movement and planned evacuation. Timing determines outcomes. In the end, environments stabilize into silence. Those who adapted early maintain control. Those who did not are left reacting to conditions beyond their control.